Hello. So all of you kindly reconnect. So all of you are getting my voice. All of
Yes,
you are
sir.
getting my voice. Okay, sir. So some contents will be discussed, and after that, I will assign you. Clear. Now the user datagram protocol is a connectionless, unreliable transport protocol. So definition is very important regarding UDP. Clear. It does not add anything to the service of IP expect to provide process to process communication. क्लियर ये कोई भी सर्विस ऐड नहीं करता आईपी की क्लियर एक्सेप्ट प्रोसेस टू प्रोसेस कम्युनिकेशन के इंस्टेड ऑफ हॉस्ट टू हॉस्ट कम्युनिकेशन ठीक है हॉस्ट टू हॉस्ट कम्युनिकेशन के बजाय प्रोसेस टू प्रोसेस कम्युनिकेशन को ऐड करता है इसके अलावा कोई सर्विस ऐड नहीं करता क्लियर so this is the major so what points we will discuss in this that is the what are the ports for UDP then user datagram then checksum UDP operations then uses of UDP clear so this is very important regarding your examination. So these are well-known ports that is used with the UDP. So you can say these are some ports that is echo, discard, user, daytime, quote, chargen, then name server, boot piece, clear, FTP, RPC, and TP, SNMP. So these are some protocols that is belong to the different number of ports in this format of UDP and each having this individual description clear so each port is having individual description so now this is very important this is a user datagram format clear this is the user datagram format of the UDP so you can say this belong to the header and data header is of 8 bytes clear so this header is further classified into different what frames clear it is having what uh, source port number of 16 bits destination ports number of 16 bit again total length is the 16 bit and the checksum is the 16 bit checksum exactly used for the error control system it is a type of error control and detection system which is handled by the checksum of 16 bits clear the source port number is 16 bit and the total length is again 16 bit so header includes what header includes the source and destination address. So you need to load this. Clear? That is of 8 byte. So UDP length will be what? It is what? UDP length अगर आपको निकालना datagram length. So you can calculate it by what? IP length minus IP headers length. So this is the formula to calculate the UDP length. UDP means user datagram packet length. Clear? It is calculated by what? The IP length minus IP headers length. So this will be uh, more fruitful for the numericals point of view. So this is what this is a pseudo header for the checksum calculation. You can see clear. So the pseudo header is what 32-bit source IP address, then 32-bit destination IP address. Clear. It is also included all zeros, 8-bit protocol of 17 bits. So this is the formatting of what pseudo header for checksum calculation. Means if you go for the error detection and calculation, so it is what a type of format. Clear. So too many formattings are there, so you need to learn this anyhow. Clear. So this is what the checksum calculation means error. If error happens, so how we can calculate the checksum. So this is the checksum calculation of a simple UDP user datagram protocol. So this is what how the queues will be happen in the UDP. Clear. So this is outgoing queue. So you can see these are the queue which is forming. Clear. Means packets are there, and this is the incoming queue with the daytime client. And this we talk about daytime server. So it is again outgoing queue and incoming queue with the different port that is port 13 and this is port 52000. Clear. So this is the queues in the UDP. If you talk about TCP, TCP क्या होता है? Connection oriented protocol है. UDP is a connectionless protocol. TCP is a connection oriented protocol. It creates a virtual connection between two TCPs to send data. In addition, TCP uses flow and error control mechanism at the transport layer. Okay? ये इसका additional part है. It exactly uses the flow and error control जो कि UDP use नहीं करता है. Clear? Now, this is what these are the well-known ports as we have discussed for UDP also. So ये देख सकते हैं सारे ports दिए हुए हैं, then protocols दिए हुए हैं, then descriptions दिए हुए हैं. Clear? So these are well-known ports used for the TCP. This is how stream delivery takes place in between two TCPs. ठीक है? Through TCPs, how we can get the stream of data, yeah, bytes communication. So we are having the sending process, and this is the receiving process. Clear? So we have the stream of bytes which is going through the pipe like structure, clear, through the TCP communication. So if this is the what the sending and receiving of buffers. Buffers includes the data, clear. That is a type of memory system. So it is the sending process, clear. So you can see, and this is the receiving process. So streams of bytes are sent through the pipe, clear. So this is what the buffers are transmitted. The bytes of data being transferred in the each connections are numbered by TCP. The numbering start with a randomly generated number. Clear? So the value in the sequence number field of a segment defines the number of the first data byte contained in that segment. Clear? So if we talk about the TCP segment format, so you can see this is the formatting of the TCP protocol. So it is what this is the header and this is the data. Header is further classified in this type of formatting. This includes the source port address of 16 bits, then destination port address of 16 bits, and sequence number, and acknowledgement number. Clear? Header length reserved. So you can see this is the checksum field. This is the urgent pointer. This is the window size of 16 bit. Clear? The reserved bits or 6 bit also include the this red mark portion. Clear? So red mark portion is what URG, ACP, acknowledgement portion is there, clear. PSH, RST, synchronization, FIN is what, and the last there is the options and padding bits that are added, clear. So this is the control field of the TCP formatting. So now this is what the connection is established using three-way handshaking. So this will be discussed later on. We will discuss this in the next lecture, so it will not be covered in this lecture. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I am going to share you, clear. So that belong to what this exactly that belong to this TCP UDP related, clear. So जो भी हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया है उसी से रिलेटेड है. So if you have listened the lecture properly, then there will be no issue here. So I'm just sharing this. Wait. So I have assigned you. All of you have got this or not? Hello? I have
Yes.
assigned to all of you. All of you have got this soon as possible. Also, make sure
Yes,
the
sir.
timing. Yeah, yeah. Make sure the timing. Also, kindly do it as soon as possible. Clear? Is there any issue regarding this? So you can tell me. Is there any issue regarding this?